So, you're an entrepreneur, you've got a big idea for an online marketplace, but you know the real challenge isn't the idea itself, it's building it. Well, in this explainer, we're going to break down the absolute best pre-built software solutions that can get you up and running in 2026. This is all about saving you a ton of time, money, and, let's be honest, a whole lot of headaches. Right? You've got this amazing concept. Maybe it's a platform for connecting buyers and sellers of vintage cars, or maybe it's for local handmade goods, or even for specialized professional services. The big question is always the same. How do you take that vision and make it real without spending a fortune or waiting a year for a custom build? Well, the answer is something called a classified script. The best way to think about it is like a professional, ready-to-go blueprint for your entire marketplace. It gives you all the essential features right out of the box, which, you guessed it, saves you an incredible amount of time and money. It's really the smart shortcut to getting your business off the ground and fast. Okay, but here's the thing. There are a lot of options out there, so how in the world do you pick the right one? Well, to help you cut through all that noise, we've evaluated the top players using a really solid 5-point framework. We're looking way beyond just a simple feature list to find what's really the perfect fit for your specific business goals. And here are the 5 pillars of our analysis. First, core functionality. Can it actually do the job you need it to do? Second, technical flexibility. Is it going to grow with you, or are you going to hit a wall? Then, operational readiness. How easy is it to manage day to day? Fourth, pricing clarity. Super important. Are there hidden costs waiting to bite you? And finally, we dug into real, independent user reviews. Looking at these 5 things together gives us a complete picture of what each script is really offering.
Now, we're not just going to give you a simple countdown from 10 to 1. That's not very helpful. Instead, we're being more strategic. We've grouped the best scripts into categories based on the kind of project you're actually building. This way, you can quickly zero in on the solution that truly lines up with your vision and, of course, your budget.
So, right at the start, you've got a fundamental choice to make. Are you on the quick launcher path, where you need to test your idea, your minimum viable product, as fast and as cheap as possible? Or are you on the custom builder path, with really unique requirements that demand a super flexible, tailored solution from day one?
If speed and a tight budget are everything to you right now, then Apicé is your go-to quick launcher. For just under $500, you can get your marketplace live and actually start testing your concept with real people. Now, what's the trade-off? It's not really built for massive, long-term scale, but for an MVP, it's an absolutely fantastic starting point.
Now, on the other end of that spectrum, you've got the custom builders, Clonify Pro and Oil Apps. These are for businesses that need something more than an out-of-the-box solution. If your marketplace has a totally unique business model or a really complex workflow for your users, these platforms give you incredible flexibility. Just know that you'll need to be prepared for a bigger investment in both time and money, with Oil Labs, for example, starting around $3,000. So what if you're not just starting out? What if you're already thinking big, planning for a huge ecosystem with thousands of users and really complex operations? For that, you're going to need an enterprise-grade solution that's truly built for serious scale. Okay, here are 3 of the heavy hitters in the enterprise space. You've got Migrate Shop, which is perfect for managing large, complicated ecosystems because it has these powerful admin controls. Then there's Flanix. This one's a veteran, known for its incredible stability. Think of it as the super dependable workhorse of classified scripts. And if your entire strategy is mobile first, then AppCodes is the one, delivering a top-notch user experience on smartphones. All right, we've seen the quick launchers for MVPs, the custom builders for those unique ideas, and the enterprise giants for massive scale. But what about the one script that just hits that sweet spot for most new businesses? The one that offers the best balance of power, price, and usability. After we weighed all of our criteria, the functionality, the flexibility, the pricing, and of course that super important real-world feedback, one solution just kept rising to the top as the best all-around choice for entrepreneurs looking ahead to 2026. And our top pick is the Zypper Letgo clone script. So why Zypper? Simple. It delivers the most well-rounded package for startups and small to medium-sized businesses. It's powerful enough that it can scale with you, but it's affordable and user-friendly enough to get you started without a giant upfront investment.
So let's break down what makes Zypper stand out. First off, its pricing is crystal clear. What you see is what you get, no surprises. Second, its feature set is perfectly balanced. It's got everything a new business needs, but plenty of room to grow. The user and admin dashboards are just clean and intuitive. And maybe most importantly, it's backed by absolutely stellar independent reviews.
And hey, don't just take our word for it. Just look at the data here.
Zipper has a perfect 5.0 rating on AmbitionBox, and that puts it ahead of major competitors on other big review platforms. This is a huge sign of high user satisfaction and just how reliable their product really is.
Now, even though Zipper is our top all-around pick, the most important thing to remember here is that the best script is really the one that's best for you. We've basically laid out the map for you. Now it's all about matching the right tool to your unique destination.
And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? Are you building a lean, mean MVP or a massive, full-scale enterprise ecosystem? Do you need to prioritize lightning speed or deep custom features? Your answers to these questions are going to point you directly to the right solution.
So there you have it, a clear guide to the classified script landscape for 2026. You've got the info, you've got the framework to make a really smart choice. So the only question left is, where are you going to build your market?